Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue driving north on US Highway 11 in St. Lawrence County, New York. We begin at mile 220 in the town of Potsdam. The town is home to two major educational institutions. St. Lawrence Academy, founded in 1816, later became the State University of New York at Potsdam. Clarkson University was established in 1896. According to the 2020 census, Potsdam has a population of 14,901. However, when the local colleges are in session, the population increases by approximately 8,000 due to the influx of students. The area is famous for its reddish-orange Potsdam sandstone, which is a notable geological feature. A large slab of this unique sandstone is even on display at the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. Additionally, two local landmarks, the First Presbyterian Church of Daly Ridge and the French Family Farm, are recognized for their historical significance and are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. We enter the village of Potsdam, and US-11 becomes Maple Street here. The village had a population of 8,312 as of the most recent census. The village of Potsdam, originally home to a community of St. Regis Indians, saw its first European settlers arrive around 1803. It was incorporated as a village in 1831 with an expanded charter following in 1841. Potsdam was officially established as the 7th town by an act of the legislature on February 21, 1806, after previously being part of the town of Madrid. It was one of the original 10 townships, labeled as Township Number 3. The name Potsdam is believed to have been chosen by commissioners who discovered a bed of reddish sandstone similar to that found in Potsdam, Germany. Several of Potsdam's landmarks are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. These include the Market Street Historic District, Bayside Cemetery and Gatehouse Complex, Clarkson Office Building, Clarkson Knowles Cottage, Nathaniel Parmenter House, Trinity Episcopal Church, and the United States Post Office. As you can see, the tractor trailer we've been following for many miles has vanished, meaning we got lost and had to splice the video for continuity. US-11 takes a convoluted route through town here. It appears that US-11 was realigned at some point in the late 70s to early 80s to take a more northerly course around the Raquette River, as seen in the diagram, with the new route shown in blue and the old route in yellow. We crossed the river on Sandstone Drive, which appears to run along an old railroad right-of-way. We make a right turn onto Market Street here and join State Route 56 for a couple of blocks. Watch closely on the left for one of only a handful of Pizza Hut Classic locations throughout the country. The recent concept of Pizza Hut Classic uses the traditional Pizza Hut building and the logo from 1974 with the word Classic at the bottom of the pole sign. The inside of the restaurant has the nostalgic red upholstered booths, checkered tablecloths, and Tiffany-style hanging light fixtures. At the time, we weren't aware that such a thing existed. Otherwise, we would have stopped here for lunch. It's around this point that we began to see detour signs indicating that US-11 traffic should take State Route 11B. As we bear left onto Lawrence Avenue, a sign says that US-11 is closed 24 miles ahead. The detour would have cost us 37.5 miles of US-11. We had already missed a block in Syracuse, which was within our line of sight, so we didn't count that against clinching the highway. And then there's the conundrum of the last 4,000 feet of inaccessible highway approaching the Canadian border. So to hell with the detour, we'll push on and figure it out when we get there. We conclude today's video at mile 229. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.